So, wir sind schon viel abgegeben. Jetzt kriegt er nämlich bald unsere Farbe an Nissan. Und zwar grün-schwarz, also olivgrün. Weil da haben wir noch eine Farbe daheim. Und ja, für einen Offroad-Look glaube ich passt das ganz gut.
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back.
So, es wird schön, bist du bereit? Heute geht's ins Schleifen. Los geht's!
I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
So, heute geht's ans Lackieren. Bin schon gespannt, wie es wird.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know.
So, heute malen die zweite. Gestern haben wir das Grüne alles gemalt. Schaut eigentlich schon ziemlich fein aus. Wir werden vielleicht nur ein zweites Mal drüber gehen, aber das schauen wir uns dann an. Heute haben wir mal mit dem Schwarzen weiter. Da haben wir noch das originale Lack. Das werden wir jetzt dann noch anpicken. Dann wird das Auto genau zur Hälfte grün, zur Hälfte schwarz. Bin ich schon gespannt, wie das ausschaut.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first, I'll write a second, third verse.
So, der Nissan ist soweit Pico fertig. Nächste Woche Dienstag haben wir einen Termin. Und ja, da hoffen wir, dass wir es gleich kriegen. Wir glauben zwar nicht, aber schauen wir. Und ja, jetzt zeige ich euch noch ein wenig, was aus einem geworden ist.
Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.